We're going to start a new visualization now that we will later use in conjunction with the one we have here. First, select the sheet at the bottom called Pollutant Multiples by Ward. Part of the dataset used for this workbook is a special type of file called a GeoJSON file, which allows plotting of shapes on a map. This information is summarized in the geometry field, which we can simply double-click to show all the wards in Medway as shapes. But we need to add the name of ward so that we can link these shapes to the information we have for different wards. Drag and drop that field onto the detail card. Now our tooltip shows which ward each shape represents. Like with the previous map, we can colour these areas according to a field in our dataset. As you saw in the course materials, we have the levels of 3 pollutants at each school location, and this new field, multiple of WHO limit, has been created that calculates how much more than the World Health Organization limit that pollutant level is. This worksheet has also been set up to show what's called a parameter here, which works alongside the multiple of WHO limit field, so you can choose which pollutant to show. At the moment it doesn't do anything since we haven't included the multiple in our map. Drag and drop it to the colour card, and you see that we now have a legend for the colour, and the wards are different colours according to these levels. But you can see here that Tableau has automatically used the sum as a measure, meaning it has added together the values for each school in that ward. We would rather show the average multiple for schools by ward. To change this, click the down arrow or right click inside the field, go to measure and then click on average. Now if we were to change the pollutant in the parameter, it will also change what we see on the map. Try it for yourself.